Welcome to our guide on Google Merchant Center and why it's a game changer for e-commerce businesses. In the fast-paced world of e-commerce, having a strong online presence isn't just an advantage, it's an absolute necessity. With the digital marketplace growing more competitive by the day, businesses need to utilize every tool at their disposal to stand out. This is where Google Merchant Center steps in. Google Merchant Center is a tool that transforms the way businesses advertise their products online. It's a platform provided by Google that allows businesses to upload their product data, making it available for Google Shopping ads and other Google services. But what does that mean in practice? Well, imagine you're an e-commerce business selling handmade wooden furniture. You've got a great range of products, but you're struggling to reach the right audience. This is where Google Merchant Center comes in handy. By uploading your product information to the Merchant Center, you're enabling Google to display your products as shopping ads to users who are actively searching for similar items. This includes everything from images and prices to product descriptions. The beauty of Google Merchant Center is that it's not just about getting your products seen. It's about getting them seen by the right people. The people who are already searching for what you offer, the people who are ready to click that Buy Now button. Moreover, Google Merchant Center isn't just for Google Shopping ads. The product data you upload can also be used for other Google services, offering even more ways for potential customers to discover your products. So, what exactly is Google Merchant Center? Simply put, it's a platform provided by Google that allows businesses to upload their product data to make it available for Google Shopping ads and other Google services. It's a tool that helps you be seen, be relevant, and be successful in the ever-evolving world of e-commerce. Here's how it works. E-commerce businesses upload their product information, such as images, prices, and descriptions, to the Merchant Center. This process is straightforward and user-friendly, designed to make your life as an e-commerce business owner a breeze. You simply log into the Merchant Center, click on the Product Feed tab, and then upload your product data file. This file can be in various formats, including TXT, XML, or Google Sheets, providing flexibility for different business needs. Now let's talk about what happens after you upload your product data. Google takes over from here. They sift through your product data, analyzing each piece of information. The aim? To match your products with the search queries of potential customers. Google's advanced algorithms play a key role here, understanding the nuances of user searches and matching them with the most relevant products from your inventory. This isn't just about displaying your products to anyone and everyone. It's about precision. It's about ensuring that your products reach the right audience at the right time. When a user enters a search query related to your products, Google presents them with a visually appealing and informative product listing. This includes your product image, price, and a brief description, all aimed at enticing the user to click on your product. But it doesn't stop at just displaying your products. Google Merchant Center goes a step further. It tracks the performance of your product listings, providing you with valuable insights. You can see which products are getting the most clicks, which ones are leading to conversions, and which ones might need a bit of a push. This data is gold for any e-commerce business, enabling you to refine your product listings and advertising strategies for maximum impact. So in essence, Google Merchant Center is your ally in the world of e-commerce. It takes your product data, works its magic, and transforms it into attention-grabbing product listings. These listings are then presented to users who are actively searching for similar items, increasing your chances of making a sale. Google then uses this data to display relevant product listings to users who are actively searching for similar items. Now, you might be wondering, why is Google Merchant Center so important for e-commerce businesses? Let's delve into the reasons, shall we? First up, we have increased visibility. By leveraging Google Merchant Center, businesses can significantly boost their online presence. Picture this, your products appearing prominently in Google Shopping ads, right where potential customers are searching. This visibility can lead to higher click-through rates, and ultimately, more sales. It's like having your store's window display on one of the busiest streets in the digital world. Next, there's targeted advertising. Google Merchant Center is a sharpshooter when it comes to this. It targets specific audiences based on their search queries and browsing behaviors. So your ads are shown to users who are already interested in similar products. It's like having a personal shopper who knows exactly what the customer wants, increasing the likelihood of conversion. Then, we have the enhanced shopping experience. Google Shopping ads provide users with a seamless, almost effortless shopping journey. Customers can compare prices and features directly within the search results. It's like having your own digital sales assistant that helps customers find and purchase your products with ease. This not only improves customer satisfaction, but it also cultivates customer loyalty. Happy customers, after all, are returning customers. Last but certainly not least, there are detailed insights. Google Merchant Center is like a crystal ball, providing businesses with valuable insights into their advertising performance. It's all there. Click-through rates, conversion metrics, you name it. You can track the effectiveness of your campaigns and make data-driven decisions to optimize your advertising strategy. It's like having your own digital marketing analyst, helping you understand what works and what can be improved. In a nutshell, Google Merchant Center is a powerful tool, a game changer for the e-commerce world. It can help businesses reach their full potential in the digital marketplace. By harnessing the capabilities of this platform, you can increase visibility, target the right audience, enhance the shopping experience, and gain valuable insights into your advertising performance. From click-through rates to conversion metrics, you can track the effectiveness of your campaigns and make data-driven decisions to optimize your advertising strategy. It's not just about selling products, it's about understanding your customers and your market. And that, my friends, is the key to thriving in the competitive world of e-commerce. In conclusion, Google Merchant Center is a powerful tool that can help e-commerce businesses reach their full potential in the digital marketplace. Remember, in a world where digital presence is paramount, this platform gives your business the edge it needs to thrive and outshine the competition. Let's quickly recap the benefits of Google Merchant Center. Firstly, it significantly increases your visibility online. With your products appearing prominently in Google Shopping ads, potential customers are more likely to notice and click on your items, leading to higher conversion rates and more sales. Imagine your product showcased on the world's largest search engine, accessible to millions of users worldwide. Secondly, Google Merchant Center offers targeted advertising. This means your ads are tailored to the specific interests and search queries of users. So instead of casting a wide net and hoping for the best, you're fishing with a spear, targeting those already interested in what you're offering. This strategic approach not only increases the likelihood of conversion, but also ensures that your advertising dollars are spent wisely. Thirdly, Google Merchant Center enhances the shopping experience for your customers. They can compare prices, features, and read reviews directly within the search results. This seamless shopping experience can significantly improve customer satisfaction and loyalty, which in turn can lead to repeat business and increased revenue. Lastly, Google Merchant Center provides detailed insights into your advertising performance. With data on click-through rates, conversion metrics, and other key performance indicators at your fingertips, you can make informed decisions to optimize your advertising strategy. It's like having a crystal ball that reveals what's working and what's not, allowing you to fine-tune your approach for maximum results. The potential of Google Merchant Center to elevate your online presence and advertising performance is immense. It's like having your very own digital marketing team, working round the clock to ensure your products get the attention they deserve. But remember, the benefits of Google Merchant Center extend beyond just boosting your online visibility and sales. It's about establishing a robust digital presence, building a loyal customer base, and harnessing the power of data to drive your business forward. It's about leveraging technology to your advantage and staying ahead of the curve in the ever-evolving world of e-commerce. And the best part? Getting started with Google Merchant Center is simple and straightforward, so there's nothing standing in your way of tapping into this powerful platform. Ready to take your e-commerce business to the next level? Sign up for Google Merchant Center today and unlock the full potential of online advertising. Remember, The digital marketplace waits for no one. So seize this opportunity and let Google Merchant Center be your gateway to e-commerce success.